This truck is Europe's king of the road, but cross the Atlantic. U.S. cops will impound it on sight. Today, we're exposing why America banned Scania trucks and the billion-dollar politics behind it. The Scania S730 is a fuel-efficient, driver-friendly marvel. So why is it illegal in America? From toxic emissions to trade wars, let's uncover the truth the trucking industry doesn't want you to know. 1. Scania's European dominance, fuel efficiency. Scania's 13 liters V8 engine achieves 8.5 mpg, double U.S. trucks like Freightliner Cascadia. Market share. 1 in 5 European trucks is a Scania. Brands like DHL and IKEA EU rely on its reliability. 2. EPA's emissions crackdown, NOx standards. USP limits trucks to 0. 2G/kWh NOx emissions versus U0. 4G/kWh. Scania's Euro 6 engines fail this test. Penalties. Importing non-compliant Scanias risks fines up to $37,500 per truck. Police enforce these at ports. 3. The 1960s chicken tax, 25% tariff. A 60-year-old tax protects U.S. brands like Peterbilt. Scania would need U.S. factories to avoid it. They refuse. Lobbying power. U.S. truck unions pressure lawmakers to block foreign competition. 4. Safety standards or sabotage. Cab over design. Scania's compact cab over engine design, ideal for Europe's tight roads, fails U.S. frontal crash tests. Bumper laws. U.S. mandates side underride guards. Scania skips for aerodynamics. 5. Cultural clash. Why America hates cab overs, long-haul culture. U.S. drivers spend weeks on highways and prefer long-nosed trucks, e.g., Kenworth W900, for comfort. Cheap diesel. U.S. fuel costs half of Europe's. Efficiency matters less. Scania's U.S. ban isn't about safety. It's about money, muscle, and protecting American giants. Drop a comment. Should the U.S. embrace Scania? Don't forget to subscribe.